Hello, welcome to this Titan Crypto Club video tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to register your account with Titan Crypto Club. So in order to be able to register an account, you will need a link from your sponsor to start with. So once you got that link, you put it in your browser bar or you click on that link, it will take you to this registration form right here. Up here in this field, you can see your sponsor name where it says your sponsor is. There you can see the name to double check if it's the correct person that you want to sign up under and make sure that you didn't accidentally use the wrong link or whatever. I blurred it for the purpose of recording this video, but you can see the name of your sponsor right here. Okay, and then you will start, of course, by entering a username. Then you will enter your first name. Then you need your phone number. Scroll down to find your country code that matches your country. Enter your phone number in this field. Next, enter your email address. I'm just going to copy it from here real quick. Come back here, paste it, choose a password. Confirm it. It has to be at least 6 characters long. It's recommended that you use uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and some special characters if you can. Make sure that you're able to remember it, or what's even better, use a password safe. Then last but not least, you have to check the box that you agree with the terms and conditions, and that's it. When you click on register, it will take you to this page where you get the confirmation that your registration was successful. Now the thing is, it doesn't take you right back to the login page. So we have to go back to the main page. And once we're here, okay, we click on login, enter the username that we just chose, enter the password, and then click on login. Now that's it. You've successfully registered your account with Titan Crypto Club. Email confirmation is not necessary yet at this stage, as we're still working on perfectioning the back office, the dashboard and everything. And once we're finished with this process, we may also implement an email confirmation, but not yet at this stage. So right now, that's the whole process of registering your account.